Now that we've captured the handshake from our target access point and we have a word list ready to use, we can use aircrack-ng to crack or determine the key for the target access point. Aircrack-ng is going to go through the word list file. It's going to combine each password with the name of our target access point to create a PMK. The PMK is created using a certain algorithm called the PBKDF2. So it's not like just combining the password and the ESS ID. It's encrypting them in a certain way. And then it's going to compare the PMK to the handshake. If the PMK was valid, then the password that was used is the password for the target access point. If it wasn't valid, then aircrack-ng is just going to try the next password. So again, aircrack-ng is going to go through the list. It's going to combine each password in the list with the name of the target access point to create a PMK. The PMK is compared with the handshake. If the PMK is valid, then that password is the password for the target access point. If it's not, then it's just going to try the next password. All this is going to be done using aircrack-ng. Let's see how we do it. So it's going to be aircrack-ng, the name of the file that contains the handshake, and that is test handshake01.cap, and then we'll put -w and the name of the word list. So I have it called WPA word list. So aircrack-ng, test the name of the file that contains the handshake, and then we have the name of the word list after the -w. I'm gonna hit enter, and now aircrack-ng is gonna go through the list. As you can see, it's trying all the passwords. It's gonna combine each password with the name of the target access point to create a PMK, and then compare the PMK to the handshake. If the PMK is valid, then the password that was used to create the PMK is the password for the target access point. If the PMK is not, then it's just going to try the next password. And as you can see, the key was found, and that's the same key that we were able to find when we attacked it using the WPS feature. So this was the basic way using a word list, and it took 2 minutes and 16 seconds to crack the password. Now the speed depends on how quick your processor and if you have any processes running that's making your computer a bit slower.